Hello, this is George Sender, the real, official, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. And here's Kathy, and we're at the new Oriental buffet in Antioch. Lunch and dinner here. Don't remember what the price is. Except for chicken in the oven and fish in the oven, I haven't had a real meal except for Red Robin since June, since Wells Fargo ripped me off. Here's what Kathy's eating. Here's what I'm eating. Kathy's not happy. It's too late for lemon, and she didn't save us to go get one. I would have gotten one out of my icebox. All right. What do you say, Kathy?
We're coming here earlier next time, or for lunch.
Okay. Well, at night they don't have, at lunch they don't have a king crab legs, which is why I wanted to come here. All you can eat crab legs.
Dinner starts at 3:30, I think.
Well, I was busy sleeping. I needed my sleep. My sinus infection is killing me. All right. You want to talk about the car? Or not really? We'll do that
Well,
later.
I'm not very happy about the car. To the dealer. I said it needed coils and spark plugs. All they did was replace the spark plugs, and on the paper it said coils. I'm not happy about that.
Well, we're going to deal with that. And by the way, I got a couple things to say on my own. To the guy who said, why do you do news videos of news that everybody else is doing? Well, the news video I did of the shooter in Tallahassee was sent at 3:30 in the morning, didn't get to me till 7, but normally I get these news alerts that happen immediately, and I have beaten Fox News, CBS, NBC, and PBS to the air, and I've done videos, you may remember, of Pulse, the attack in Florida on the nightclub, San Bernardino, and terrorist events in France, Belgium, and Germany. So, oh God, he's got the radio playing. So I don't want to hear any crap about that. I do breaking news to inform my subscribers. And as for begging, I had my bank rip me off for $457 in June, July, and I've been broke because of it for months. And I only want help with the cats, for cat food. And tonight I had 12 cats to feed. You add that up every day, that's a lot of money. All right, this is George Sender, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, cool, or dry as the case may be. I have to end this because the guy's got a radio on the background. And stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.